Hey there, ready to supercharge your metabolism? Today, we're exploring the top foods that can rev up your body's fat-burning engine. From spicy peppers and lean proteins to metabolism-boosting green tea and nutrient-packed berries, these foods can help kickstart your journey to a more efficient metabolism and a leaner you. Stay tuned to discover how simple changes in your diet can make a big impact on your weight loss goals. Today, we will talk about top foods to increase metabolism to help burn fat. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to my channel. Maintaining a healthy weight and optimizing metabolism are goals for many individuals seeking to improve their overall health and fitness. Metabolism refers to the complex biochemical processes in the body that convert food into energy. A faster metabolism can aid in burning calories more efficiently, which may contribute to weight loss or weight maintenance. While genetics and physical activity play significant roles in metabolism, dietary choices can also influence metabolic rate. 1. Protein-rich foods. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, including muscle tissue, which is metabolically active and contributes to a higher BNR. Additionally, protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats, meaning the body expends more energy to digest and metabolize protein-rich foods. Examples of protein-rich foods include lean meats, such as chicken breast, turkey, lean cuts of beef, and pork loin. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines, which are also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Eggs, a complete protein source that is versatile and can be included in various meals. Legumes, such as beans, lentils, and chickpeas, which provide plant-based protein along with fiber. Including adequate protein in meals can help increase satiety, support muscle maintenance and growth, and enhance the thermic effect of food, thereby aiding in fat burning. 2. Spicy foods. Spicy foods contain compounds such as capsaicin, which give them their characteristic heat. Capsaicin has been shown to increase metabolic rate and promote fat oxidation, making it beneficial for weight management. Examples of spicy foods include chili peppers, including jalapenos, habaneros, cayenne pepper, and chili powder. Ginger, a spicy root often used in cooking and as a herbal remedy. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and may enhance metabolism. Incorporating spicy foods into meals can increase thermogenesis, heat production, in the body, potentially boosting metabolism and aiding in fat burning. 3. Green tea. Green tea is renowned for its numerous health benefits, including its potential to boost metabolism and promote fat loss. The catechins found in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGTG, have been shown to increase thermogenesis and fat oxidation. Benefits of green tea for metabolism and fat burning include enhanced thermogenesis. Green tea catechins can increase energy expenditure and enhance fat oxidation, contributing to a higher metabolic rate. Improved fat utilization. Regular consumption of green tea may help the body utilize fat stores more efficiently, supporting weight management. Antioxidant properties. Green tea is rich in antioxidants that promote overall health and well-being. Drinking green tea as a beverage or incorporating it into smoothies and other recipes can provide metabolic benefits and support weight loss efforts. 4. Whole grains. Whole grains are rich in complex carbohydrates, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing sustained energy and supporting metabolic function. Unlike refined grains, whole grains undergo minimal processing, retaining their nutrient-rich bran and germ layers. Examples of whole grains include oats, a good source of soluble fiber beta-glucan, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and supports digestive health. Brown rice, provides fiber, B vitamins, and minerals such as manganese and selenium. Quinoa, a complete protein source that is also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Barley contains beta-glucan fiber, which promotes satiety and supports digestive health. The fiber content of whole grains can aid in digestion and promote a feeling of fullness, potentially supporting weight management and metabolic health. 5. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy greens are low in calories but rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, making them an excellent choice for supporting metabolism and weight loss. Examples of leafy green vegetables include spinach, rich in iron, vitamins A and C, and folate. Kale, high in vitamins K, A, and C, as well as minerals like calcium and manganese. Swiss chard contains vitamins K, A, and C, along with magnesium and potassium. Arugula provides vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and calcium. Leafy greens are nutrient-dense and low in calories, making them ideal for promoting satiety and supporting metabolic function. 6. Coffee. Coffee contains caffeine, a natural stimulant that can temporarily increase metabolic rate and enhance fat oxidation. Caffeine works by stimulating the nervous system, which can lead to increased energy expenditure and improved physical performance. Benefits of coffee for metabolism and fat burning include increased energy expenditure. Caffeine can temporarily boost metabolism and increase calorie burning. Moderate coffee consumption, without excessive added sugars or creamers, can provide metabolic benefits and support overall energy levels throughout the day. 7. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are nutrient-dense foods that provide healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Despite their calorie density, nuts and seeds can support metabolism and aid in weight management when consumed in moderation. Examples of nuts and seeds include almonds, rich in monounsaturated fats, protein, and fiber. Walnuts, high in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and antioxidants. Chia seeds provide fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and minerals like calcium and magnesium. Flax seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and lignans, plant compounds with antioxidant properties. Optimizing metabolism through dietary choices can play a significant role in supporting weight management and overall health. Incorporating protein-rich foods, spicy foods, green tea, whole grains, leafy green vegetables, coffee, nuts, and seeds into the diet can help increase metabolic rate, enhance fat burning, and promote satiety. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.